Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the learning goals, 1 to 3 clear objectives that guide every element. Once done, sketch a tight lesson outline and write a short intro that states those objectives. This improves retention. Make sure to enable captions and plan chapter timestamps during scripting so you can add them quickly after upload. Then choose camera, mic, and a simple slide layout. You want consistent visuals, so viewers treat the video like a predictable classroom session. You should record in short chunks, 5 to 12 minutes, so each segment functions as a mini-lesson. While recording, add visual cues and on-screen prompts to highlight definitions and examples. These signals mimic a teacher's emphasis and keep attention. Once recorded, edit to insert chapters and exact timestamps, create a pinned summary with action items, and add captions. Doing this makes it easy for learners to jump to specific concepts and review efficiently, which is the heart of the classroom effect. You publish with clear chapters, a concise description that lists objectives and timestamps, and tags that match learner search intent. Then add end screens, cards, and a practice playlist to guide follow-up study. Encourage active recall with prompts in the pinned comment. After release, monitor audience retention and click-throughs. If retention drops early, trim the intro or re-record the first minute with a stronger hook. If chapters are ignored, make timestamps more specific and call them out verbally.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.